Samsung has started rolling out its Android 14 update with One UI 6 to its latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. One UI 6 kicked off its rollout on the Galaxy S23 series last month and has since also expanded to the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy A54. Now, Samsung is bringing the update to foldables, with Android 14 now rolling out for Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. The update is live first on Verizon Wireless, with units sold through the carrier getting One UI 6 ahead of unlocked units. Verizon details the update and changelogs for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, respectively, but so far, we've only seen users reporting the update live on the Fold 5 per Reddit. Verizon is also hosting a huge changelog for the update, which includes the new quick settings design, Bixby text call, updates to the camera and gallery apps, and many other tweaks to Samsung's Android skin. The update also, unsurprisingly, carries the November 2023 security patch. That actually means this is the second update Samsung has delivered on that patch, as a dedicated OTA with just the latest security patch was rolled out earlier on this month. There's no word just yet on when Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 will get Android 14 outside of Verizon and the US, but drop a comment below if you get the update.